Today, I did something absolutely insane. I bought what might just be the most expensive Rolex ever made. This isn't your everyday Submariner or Daytona. This is the ADAM4000000, a $4 million masterpiece. And in this video, I'm going to show you every insane detail, tell you why it costs this much, and why, yes, we're unboxing it right here, right now. It took months of searching, VIP access, private collectors, and a wire transfer that would make your heart stop. But finally, it's mine. Let's get into the box. This is where luxury meets insanity. The ADAM4000000 isn't sold in stores. It's custom, ultra rare, and wrapped in a story that involves royalty, diamonds, and some top-secret Rolex craftsmanship. This isn't just a watch. This is a legacy on your wrist. Handcrafted platinum case. Over 30 carats of flawless diamonds. A movement so rare, only 3 exist in the world. And that signature ADAM engraving one you've ever seen on any retail Rolex. Here's how I got it. I was at a private auction in Monaco. Rolex insiders were whispering about something called Project Adam, an internal code name for a watch that was never meant to be sold. But one surfaced. One, and I made sure I didn't leave without it. Even watch experts didn't believe it was real until they saw it in person. This thing outshines every watch in the room. So, was it worth it? $4 million? I'll let you be the judge. But one thing's for sure, you won't see this on anyone else's wrist. Drop a comment if you'd wear this beast. And subscribe, because next time we're going beyond Rolex. Trust me, it gets crazier.